Suzuki or Suzuki? Suzuki are going through some drastic changes these days. A new management decided to retire from racing, even though they have some major success. In EICMA, they presented some of the old legends, and it was kind of sad to see the company which produced some of the iconic bikes in history falling behind. Suzuki is still producing some of their old and obsolete models from the 80s. They declared to end production for the GSXR 1000 and to retire from motocross and MotoGP racing. Both new GSX 8S and V-Strom 800 sharing the same parallel twin engine, which have 270-degree firing order. It produces 82 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. This is a bit disappointing and underpowered for my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.